Last time on Sailing Freaky Deaky, we left Crandon Park in Miami under some really rough weather. Today we continue our journey. Sailing, finally sailing.
Almost capsized.
No.
It's scary.
Alright, we're doing 5 miles an hour. Something like that. Gale force winds coming in tonight, guys. But we're sailing.
I'm so afraid. Tell them what happened to the motor.
Alright, let's go a little bit. Alright, ready? Let's take this stuff down. So after hearing that there was a gale force wind warning coming in for that afternoon, I had a big discussion with Lucas whether to continue or to take harbor at Key Largo. We decided to go on the side of caution after hearing that seas were going to be 9 to 12 feet. We've decided that that was the best decision. So we made it to Key Largo. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah, what about those gale force winds?
Huh?
What about those gale force winds? Oh. Came here because there's gale force winds expected, so we're spending 2 nights here.
30 miles an hour.
30 mile an hour wind.
We got off with 15 miles an hour.
14 foot seas, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna stay here for a few days. The good thing about the Florida Keys is everything is pretty much close. I mean, the whole island, Atlantic side to Gulf side, isn't that wide. So we brought our skateboards on board and decided that skateboarding was the easiest option for us to get around. We decided to go have dinner and celebrate the fact that we made it at least to Key Largo and that we made it safe. So we made it. Not to Key West. Nope. We are in Key Largo, John Pennekamp to be exact. When you are going on a voyage and you hear
In the afternoon. Period 10 seconds. North swell 3 to 5 feet. Intercoastal waters choppy in exposed areas. Friday night, east-northeast winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to around 25 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas to 8 feet. Intercoastal waters a moderate chop. Slight chance of showers.
So yeah, when you hear that on the radio, you know it gets scary. And then we started seeing winds increase, and we saw the seas increase when they start breaking over the bow of your boat. And you just wonder, is it safe? Can I get to Key West or Marathon at this point? We decided to drop sails and motor. Are you shaking the boat? Right now the boat is shaking just due to the high wind, and we are in well protected waters. Again, we are docked at a dock, so we shouldn't be experiencing a lot of movement, period. I hope you guys stay tuned. Tomorrow's another day.